Hello everyone, I am Shivang Singh, currently here working as a technical engineer in Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to make video regarding the hand welding machine also called precise hand spot welding machine. It is a precise hand spot welding machine of model number 737U, which is designed for enhance the welding of their materials without excessive heat build-up. This machine has a single phase input supply 220 volt AC and 2.8 kilowatt total power maximum power consumption and the 2 ampere to 15 ampere maximum current load. This machine comes in 2 in 1. One is for the welding and second is for the charging purpose. So in the welding section we have two types of pulse delays like P1 and P2. For the first P1 delay we getting 0.5 second to 5 millisecond, and in P2 pulse we are getting 1 to 10 milliseconds of holding time of the current during the welding process. And in the while we are selecting the P1, we can weld the 0.05 to 0.12 mm, and in the P2 section we can weld 0.05 to 0.15 mm thickness of the nickel plate. So in the charging part we have two options, like first is USB and second one is this terminal ports. We have two switch, one for the welding power and second is for the charging purpose. So in the welding we have three buttons, one is for up, second is down, and three for the selection. First we need to click on this button to select the maximum welding percentage of the current which we want on the during the welding. If we will press this button again, then this digit will blink, and in this section this will blink for the P2 and this is for the P1. P2 I have already told that this is for the pulse selection. So here we can select the parameter, and in this section we have three USB ports which rating is 5 volt 2 ampere, and we have one terminal port which rating is 4.2 volt 3 ampere maximum. This 3 ampere means we can vary from 0 ampere to 3 ampere. This switch is used to adjust the pressure at the time of the welding process. This switch must be not fully loose or fully tightened, otherwise it will not weld. Like this, first we need to, this is fully loose now. We need to just give pressure until this light start glowing more. For the practical operation we just need to put this rod here and just push up like this. See, here we can how we are welding the nickel plates with this machine. So this was all about this precise hand welding machine of model number 737U. You can visit our head office for live demo of this machine as well as remaining other machines at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Thank you for watching our videos.